Meaning of fogey.
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 Fogey. The term fogey is typically used to describe someone who is old-fashioned, set in their ways, and resistant to change. This term is often used in a derogatory way to criticize people who are seen as being out of touch with modern ideas and attitudes. A fogey might be viewed as being overly conservative, narrow-minded, or intolerant of new ideas. While this term can be used in a playful or light-hearted way, it can also be seen as insulting or offensive depending on the context and the tone in which it is used.